Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Gloria Homoskill. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this puff puff. So I'm going to be showing two types of puff puff recipe. So if you want to know how I made it, stay tuned and keep watching. So the ingredients needed for this recipe is yeast. So this is an instant yeast, and this is salt and sugar. This is sugar. So the next is powdered milk. So another one is pepper. This is habanero pepper, is optional. Then the other one is onion. This is optional too. And this is our flour. So guys, we're going to start by cutting our pepper. So I'm not using my hand to cut it because I don't want it to hurt me. So that's why I'm using fork and knife to do this. Okay. So I think this is okay. The quantity I just cut is okay. I'm not going to use all, so I'm going to keep it aside, and I'm going to cut my onion now. So remember I said this is optional. The pepper and the onion is optional, so I'm not going to be using it from the start. I'm going to use it later to dish something. So keep watching. So guys, I have finished cutting the onion and the pepper. So look at them here. Look at all the ingredients needed for this recipe. So I've already listed them. So I want to sieve the flour because I'm seeing some lumps there. I don't want to make a lumps puff puff, so that's why I'm sieving it. So keep watching. Okay, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always watching my video. You are highly welcome back. If today is your first time I've gone across my channel, thank you for always watching my video. And if you're watching and you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. I press the bell icon so that you stay updated when next I post a new video. So guys, I am done sieving it. So this is 3 cups of flour. So I'm going to be adding the ingredients now. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of yeast. So after that, I will add the milk powder. So I'll be adding everything. I'll be adding all the milk powder. I'm not going to be measuring it. So the next is sugar. So this is sugar. I'm adding it to my taste. You can add yours to your taste. Be adding just 3 spoons. So this is salt, so just a little salt. So I'm going to stir it, and I will add the warm water because I didn't mention it earlier. So I'll be using warm water to mix it. If you want to know the type of warm water to use, okay, just mix warm water, and if your finger can resist the hotness of the warm water, that is the type of water you have to use. So this pepper and onion, I'm going to be using it later, not now. So that's why I'm just showing you that I'm going to use it later. Okay. So I'm going to be adding the warm water now. So I'll be adding it bit by bit. So this is not enough, so I'm going to be adding more. That's why I said I will be adding it gradually. So I'm going to be adding more warm water. So after adding this water, I'm not going to add any other water again. This is enough to get the consistency I want for this puff puff. So I'll be be stirring it. Okay guys, please, the least you can do for me is to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you stay updated when next I post a new video. This channel is all about teaching you things, money making skills that you need. So many things you buy in the store, this channel will teach you how to make them in your home. Something like food, soaps and other things. So guys, this is the consistency I'm looking for in this puff puff. I'm still going to stir it one more time. So if you are looking for a soft puff puff, a good one at that, so this is the consistency you should be looking for in your own puff puff when making it. So I am done. I'm going to be covering it with cellophane bag. So you can cover it with anything you have. You can cover with foil and all that. So but I'll be using the one I have. This is nylon bag. So I want to leave it there to rest for about 45 minutes so it can rise, so we can start making our puff puff. So now it has risen. So look at it. It has doubled up. So I'm going to stir it and we'll start making the puff puff. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to mold puff puff. So the hand you're going to use for this is your index finger and your thumb. So I'm not going to mold it inside the hot oil for now because I don't want it to get burned. So squeeze and catch. So let's try again. Use your thumb to press it. So you get it again, use your thumb to press it. Look at it. So don't worry, if you put it inside the hot oil, it's going to mold by itself. Look at it, squeeze and catch, squeeze and catch, and use your thumb to press it. Some people like to do it like this, but I prefer using my thumb to cut it like this. So you'll be using your index finger and your thumb to make it. So let's try again. Cut it with your thumb. Look at it. Get it again. Cut with your thumb. Get it again. Cut with your thumb. Just don't overfill your hand. Just be taking it small. So this is our oil. So this oil is hot. It's not too hot. I used medium heat in this puff puff frying. So look at it. This is why I said you shouldn't bother whenever you're making your puff puff, that if you put it inside, so as you've gotten the good consistency, whenever you put it here, it's going to mold by itself. So use your index finger and your thumb. So what you're going to use to cut it is your thumb. So you can look at it. So why I showed you guys before I start frying it, because I don't want it to get burnt when I'm teaching it, because I know that you will not learn it very well when I teach it here, but I think by now you've learned it. Just be watching how I'm doing it. So this is a plain puff puff. I've not added the onion and the pepper. So this is a normal puff puff you buy in the streets anywhere. So I'm not going to add that one now. If you add it, if you're making a very big puff puff and you add those two, your puff puff is not going to last for about at least 2 days, but this one will last. So that one, the one you add onion and pepper, is just for 24 hours and it will get spoiled. So just anytime you want to add it, just make sure that you're going to finish it up. So that will be in the next batch. So I just showed you guys how to make plain puff puff, the one you buy outside. So look at it. So I'm going to find the second batch later. So right now I am going to be turning it. So I'm going to be turning it one by one. So do not overcrowd it. I'm going to be turning it one by one. You can see it's not everybody that will make it in this life. Some of them refuse to turn. Okay. So after that, I will leave it turn to golden brown and I will take it off the heat. So if you're watching till now and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please encourage me and support me, your sister, by subscribing to my channel. It will make my channel grow. And also press the bell icon there so that you stay updated when next I post a new video. So guys, our puff puff is done. Look at it, it is giving. So I'm going to stir it for a while and I'll take it off the heat. So guys, this is the second batch. So I'm going to add the onion and the peppers. So after that, I'm going to stir it and I'll continue frying my puff puff. So for me, I prefer adding these two. So if I want to buy in the street, I'll buy the plain one. But if I want to make it in my house, I must put onion and pepper, definitely. So which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the plain puff puff or this type? So just put it down in the comment section and I'm going to fry the second batch. So I hope you've learned how I'm making this. Use your thumb to press it. Squeeze it with your index finger and press it with your hand. See? So I'm going to show you guys the outcome. Just keep watching. And our puff puff is ready. This is giving. This is so delicious, you won't understand. So what I'm going to show you guys is the one with extra ingredients. Look at it. I'm going to open it to show you guys how it looks like. Look at the onion and the pepper there. So the next one, I'm going to test this one now. So the next one I'm going to open is this plain puff puff. So you're going to show me which is your favorite in the comment section. So put it down there. So do you prefer this plain puff puff or the previous one with extra ingredients, the onion and the pepper? So tell me your choice. Put it down in the comment section. And this will be the end of our video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon there so that you stay updated when next I post any video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.